Hello Googlers, welcome to this session.
Hello. Hey everyone, it's Nikki.
Hey there, welcome to this session all about Google Chrome.
I'm going to be talking about 4 specific ways that you can use Google tools, but there's way more than just these 4 ways to help with managing your finances.
Why I'm excited about this workshop is it's going to help you maximize time.
I'm here to spoon feed you an ounce of prevention. You're going to save yourself and your loved ones the headache and heartache of potential Google account data loss.
So it doesn't cost a lot to make a Google Doc and then list it for sale, but then you can have a high return on investment because that Google Doc can be sold in an infinite amount of times.
I'm here to share with you one of the most unexpected and exciting things I've discovered in being a course creator, and that is the power of Google Docs workbooks.